Hey, what is up, guys? It's Kevin back again with a quick new video, just showing you guys what I've been doing and what I've been working on. Now, this video is going to be a little bit different. I think that a lot of you guys probably don't know, but on YouTube there is a feature where you can send direct messages to creators on here. So what I want to do today is go through some of the messages, because I get a lot of them, and see if I can answer some of those questions for the people that asked them. So I'm going to do that. I do have a video coming out of a Honda Accord tomorrow. I bought it yesterday. There was nothing really wrong with it, but I had to put hubcaps and stuff like that on it. So I want to show you guys that. But let's get into the questions. First question just says, Kevin, where have you been? Well, funny story. I haven't made a video in I want to say almost a month, and there's a couple reasons for that. First is going to be work. I mean, I've been working a lot, getting a lot of stuff done. Sometimes I just forget to make videos. And this piece of crap here decided it didn't want to work anymore. It sat in my toolbox for about a week, and I put batteries in it and just can't get it to work. And I never really liked, and I'm recording this on my GoPro, but I never really liked the way that the video of the GoPro was for videos like this. So that's the reason I bought this camera. So I'm gonna have to buy another camera. Yeah, with that and work, and I've been sick the past couple days. The damn septic tank in the house got stopped up. Then I got it drained, and then the pipe was stopped up. So I've been having to do all this stuff, and I just haven't had time to really make videos normally. So hopefully that can change. Next question. Okay, this person is asking, Kevin, what do you think would be a great first car? Now, if you guys watch my video, you think I'm going to say Honda Civic, but I'm not going to say Honda Civic. And the reason for that is Honda Civic has a lot of issues with the automatic transmissions, and a lot of people can't drive 5-speed transmissions. So a really, really good first car, not saying that a Civic is not a good first car, has been taken care of, but usually people want to spend not a lot of money on the first car. So I would say a mid-90s Toyota Celica or Toyota Corolla, and the reason for that is their transmissions are a lot better, but the biggest reason is there are non-interference motors, which meaning if you break your timing belt, you don't have to worry about it. You throw a new one on. Of course, Civics are interference, so if you break your timing belt, you're probably going to bend some valves, stuff like that. So yeah, let's see. Let's go down. Kevin, what was the worst experience you've ever had working on a car? Oh, man. That's a tough one. If you've watched my old videos, the Turbo SC300 that I had, worst experience ever is when I bought the car originally, it needed a fuel pump. And on those cars, the fuel pump is actually inside the car behind the back seat. So I disconnected the negative battery. I was in there doing it, and I was my leg was in the car, well, out of the car, and I was in the car, and I was doing something wiring the new fuel pump up, because it wasn't like a direct port, where you just plug it in. So I was wiring it up. Next thing I know, I heard something hit the car, and just a big flame, just a big ball of fire just hit me directly in the face. The kids next door was playing soccer, and they kicked the ball, and I guess at that moment it hit under the hood and made contact with the negative cable with the battery, and it sent juice back there. And if you don't know, gas is not super flammable. It's more the fumes are. So it just hit me in the face, and I fell out of the car, and I felt my ear was just fucking going crazy, and I did this and actually pulled a piece of my ear off. And that's probably the worst experience. I went I went to the hospital. I mean, my whole face was just, anything below my hat lawn was just one big blister. And if you don't know, burns hurt so incredibly bad, especially on your face. So yeah, that's probably the worst experience I had working on cars. Kevin, what is going to be your next project car? Oh, see, right now I'm not even thinking about project cars, because I keep getting fucking cars. And I'm like, this is going to be my project car. I got the S12 out there right now. I had the Porsche, and then before that I had the Starion. And it's like, I get something, but then I don't really do anything to it because I don't have time to do anything to it. I mean, shit, I don't have 20 minutes to make a YouTube video. So my life is so hectic, but I'm probably not going to do anything with that S12. I'm probably just going to get rid of it. But I'm going to have to get something I'm actually passionate about. You know, I might go back to the, what is it? The SE300. I might go buy another one of those if I can find one in 5-speed, because I don't want to buy automatic and then have to swap it over again. Or if I get my hands on a decent shell of a FD RX-7. One of the two is going to be my next project car, because I got to get something I'm passionate about. You know, I can't get something just because, oh, that's kind of cool and oh, that's kind of rare, and then do nothing to it, and it's like sitting out there rotting. So, yep. Kevin, what is your favorite genre of music? I don't really have one. You know, I can't stand this mumble rap shit that's going on right now, but I listen to everything from, man, Guns N' Roses, Bon Jovi, Nirvana, Metallica. I'm really big into, I like rock music, I like hair bands, I like some hip hop. Shit, I used to listen to country like full time. Old school 90s rap. I mean, basically everything. Everything besides some of this shit today where it's just like bitches, hoes, and mollies, and Percocets, and all that shit. I can't get into that type of music. Kevin, how's the 4Runner been doing? The 4Runner's been awesome. I mean, that truck's got a shitload of miles on it. It's got like 270,000 miles. And I've had it for, I don't even remember, about 2 months now, and not had to do one thing to it. It's been solid, completely solid so far. Let's see. I'm just going through these and, you know, ones that are relevant. And guys, if you have any questions that you want to ask me, leave it in the comment section below. And I would like to start doing at least one of these type videos, like Q&A videos per week. So if you guys got questions, you know, leave them down below, and that way I can make, you know, more of these for you guys. Kevin, I got a 1996 Honda Civic 5-speed. When I push in the clutch and turn the switch, nothing happens. I've already checked for battery and it is fully charged. The car was running great until last night. I parked it at home and it wouldn't start this morning. Well, I mean, that could be a lot of things if you are positive that your battery is completely charged. A common issue with the Honda Civics is the safety neutral switch. And what that is a switch that's showing the car that you have the clutch down. Now, what you can do is, just to make sure that it's nothing like major or anything like that, which it shouldn't be, is you can go to the starter and it's got a little, it's got one big wire on it, and then it's got a little small wire. You can pull that small wire off and just get you a piece of wire that can go from the starter to the battery. Now, plug it into the starter, but once you hit it on the battery, it's going to kick on the starter. That way you can eliminate that your starter is bad. But make sure, since it is a 5-speed, that the car is in neutral, because if you do that and it's in drive, it's going to roll forward with you and it could start and run into some. So make sure it's in neutral. So if you put that wire onto the small lead on the starter and then tap it to the battery and it kicks over, you know that's the issue. If it doesn't kick over, you've got a starter issue. So if it does kick over, it's more than likely your safety neutral switch. You can go online and, I mean your clutch neutral switch, whatever they call it. You can go online and figure out how to do it. It takes literally 10-15 minutes to do it. Or if you don't want to get another one, you can always pull the plug off of the switch and jump the 2 wires and just leave it like that. But if you do that, you got to understand that you'll be able to start the car when it's in, you know, park, or when it's in a gear, reverse, whatever it is. So just be aware of that. And we are we're at almost 10 minutes, so I think that's going to be it for this one. Like I said, if you have any questions or anything, leave it in the comment section below. I'll have another video coming out tomorrow. I'm going to go ahead and upload this one today, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll talk to you guys later.